Hi everyone, this is Raju from Smart AI Technologies. Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to use YOLO V4 model and train it for your custom data set and get the results predicted. So let us start with the result first. How our model is giving the results for our input. Then I will be going to show you the entire part from downloading the data set to creating the data set and then implementing the YOLO V4, that is training, and then testing the YOLO V4 trained model on any images that we have with you. So first, initially I will show you the result, how much accurately it's predicting our input data set. So here I trained my YOLO model. So now what I am doing is I am feeding an image called download JPEG that you can see here. Okay, yeah, this is the image of an Indian actor named Puneet Rajkumar, Dr. Puneet Rajkumar. I'm going to feed it and we call him as Appu. So I'm going to feed my model, and when I feed it, so this gonna give me the result back, say Appu with 99% accuracy. The same thing I will do it for Steve Jobs, because I trained my model for two images. One is Puneet Rajkumar, that's Appu, and second one is for Steve Jobs. So let us get the complete name of the image. Feed it to my model. So then I'm going to print the result, as you can see here. Yeah, this is the Steve Jobs image. Even it will be saved here, so that we can open it and see it here. You can see here, I think. Yeah, Steve with 99% accuracy. So this is how our custom YOLO V4 model trained for Steve Jobs and Puneet Rajkumar is working. So we will start with downloading the images to creating the dataset, then training the model, then validating it using our own inputs. Okay, we will follow steps one by one. Don't skip any way. We will be getting good results. Okay, let us start the session. Our first part of the work is how to download the dataset. In this process, we will follow three techniques or three ways how we can download the dataset that we want. The first step is try to use any Google Chrome add-ons for downloading the dataset. One of them I will show you how to use. Okay, so here I am using Fatcon batch downloader. Okay, here it will ask, you can download it from Chrome, and you can add it, and then you can click on download current tab. Okay, and then it will select all the images. So then you can click on download button. It will download all the images, or 100 images, or whatever the number of images you are giving. It will download those images and it will save it for you. The same way you can do it for some other images. So in your case, in my case, one was Steve Jobs and another one was Puneet Rajkumar. So Puneet Rajkumar, and I downloaded it for two classes of images. One is for Steve Jobs and another one is for Puneet Rajkumar. I downloaded 100 images, so you can download any number of images that you want. This was the one way. The next way is using the Python library. That is, I'll show you. Okay, there is a library called Simple Image Download. Okay, you can pip install it. That will also, I'll try to show you from which state. Simple image downloads. Okay, you can just do pip install simple image download, then you can use this. Here you can provide any classes. In my case it was Puneet Rajkumar, or Steve Jobs, and limit I gave 100. That you can see here in my code. Okay, simple image download. From this library I'm going to import simple image download as SIMP, and then I'm going to give two classes, that is Puneet Rajkumar and Steve Jobs, with limitation of 100 images. Okay. So the images will be downloaded and saved in the folder that you can see here. Okay. Once you run that Python file, okay, download images.py, okay, which I shown you just now, then it will create a folder simple images with having two classes. This is a new class I done. I will tell you why I done that, but it will create two classes first, Appu and Steve. So here it will have only the images of Appu, and here it will have only images of Steve Jobs. Okay. This is the second way of downloading the dataset. And also you can download some already available dataset from Kaggle or GitHub or like that if you don't want to download it from Chrome and like that. Okay, so the third way is checking the data in main sources, maybe Kaggle or maybe you see a repository or data.government, anywhere. Okay, if you get free images it's fine. So yeah, these were the three ways. So for example, I will search and give you, okay, image data sets. In Kaggle you can search, I think Kaggle is the best way. Any basic classes for normal implementation. Otherwise, if you want customized on your own classes, you can use that. Here there is a data set which contains 7 classes, that is bike, car, cats, dogs, flower, horses and human. You can use these classes because they contain 400 images. Even you can use these as a input data for your model. So this was the third way of downloading the dataset. Our next step is to create a proper dataset out of the images that we have downloaded. Now for that we are going to use a library or a tool called label.img that you can see here on the screen. So this is the GitHub repo of the label.img tool that we are going to use. In Windows case, you can use the binary version here. You can download it and you can install it in, you can use it like an application. But if you are working with Linux system, you just need to do pip install label.img and then just run label.img. In my case, I installed that label.img with me. So now I am going to run that label.img here. This is that tool, how it looks. And now you need to click on open directory and provide the path of the complete path of the folders or the images. In my case, first I will give Appu folder. Okay, I will say choose. Okay, here I already drawn a box around the images, but if I delete it, okay, say I deleted it, now this is a new fresh image. When you select this open directory and the entire open that folder location, you will be having the images like so here first you need to do is go to this and change it to YOLO version, Pascal, YOLO and create ML. Like there are 3 versions. Out of that select YOLO, then go for create rectangular box and take that and draw rectangular box around the person or an object that you want to work and give a label. In my case it will be Appu. Okay, I will do like this for all the 100 images that I have with me in that particular folder. If I do next, okay, so next I will get next image and everything already I actually drawn box around them. Okay, once I complete all 100 images, it will say automatically, and what happens then is you can see here in Appu for every one image there will be a text file which tells us what is the class that particular image or object belongs to. Here 0 means Appu, if it was 1 that is Steve Jobs. So this is the location of the rectangular box in the image, that is the object or the person that we want to recognize. it will be directly created from the tool that we are using, that is label img. So here you can see there will be another file called class.txt, which says okay, this is showing us Appu only. And if you do the same stuff again for Steve separately, okay, then you will get for Steve also you will get separate text file, all the images, then you will get classes.txt, but here you will get 0 and 1 because already you done for Appu 0 and second is Steve, and that will be 1 for Steve. Okay, and you will be getting all the text files and also all the image files in two separate folders, one is Appu and one is Steve. Now create another new folder, say in my case objects, so I just gave it as obj, and they copy all the images and also text files. So copy them and paste all of them here and make copy only one classes.txt folder which contains two names, Appu and Steve. Okay, here you completed the proper creating of the dataset that is suitable for training YOLO v4.